Signs and symptoms of HIV. The symptoms of HIV and AIDS vary depending on the phases of infection. Acute HIV. Generally, people infected by HIV develop a flu-like illness within a month or two after receiving the virus. This sickness, known as primary or acute HIV infection, may last for a few weeks. Possible signs and symptoms include fever, headache, muscle aches and joint pain, rash, sore throat, swollen lymph glands. Symptoms of primary HIV infection may be mild enough to go ignored. The amount of virus in the bloodstream is particularly high at this time. As a result, HIV infection spreads more efficiently during primary infection than during the next stage of infection. Chronic HIV. In some people, persistent swelling of lymph nodes occurs during chronic HIV. Otherwise, there are no specific signs and symptoms. HIV remains in the body, however, and in infected white blood cells. Infection generally lasts around 10 years if you are not receiving antiretroviral therapy. This phase can last for decades in people taking antiviral medications, but some people progress to more severe disease much sooner. Early symptoms. Symptomatic HIV infection. As the virus continues to multiply and destroy immune cells, you may develop mild infection or chronic signs and symptoms such as fever, fatigue, swollen lymph nodes, diarrhea, weight loss, oral yeast infection. Herpes zoster. Progression to AIDS. If you receive no treatment for your HIV infection, the disease obviously progresses to AIDS in about 10 years. By the time AIDS develops, your immune system has been severely damaged, making you vulnerable to infections. Diseases that would not usually trouble a person with a healthy immune system. The signs and symptoms of some of these infections may include night sweats, fever, diarrhea, white spots on your tongue, unexplained fatigue, weight loss, skin rashes. If you think you may have been infected with HIV or are at risk of contracting the virus, visit your doctor as soon as possible. For more videos, please subscribe our channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends and give your opinion in comment box. Stay healthy. Thanks for watching.